Invideo AI is a very popular AI video creation tool, and as I am recording this video, you can get almost 90% discount in its studio pricing plans. This offer might end soon, and if you want to know how to receive this discount and also about all the features within these plans, make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get the discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and then log in into your Invideo Studio account from here. Click here and you can see the two pricing plans. To get the first part of the discount, you can select yearly plans and you will get a 50% discount. And then to get the second part of the discount, select any plan that you want and then enter the coupon code IV Labor Day 40. Click apply and you can see that we have received a 40% discount by using the coupon code, and we already received a 50% discount by selecting the yearly plan, making it almost a 90% discount. Now that we have seen the maximum possible discount, let us take a look at the pricing plans as well as the features. First is the business plan, priced at $30 per month without applying any discount, and you can get it for as low as $9 with the maximum discount. The business plan is designed for creators and small teams who need powerful video editing tools and moderate usage limits. With this plan, you can export up to 60 videos per month, making it perfect for regular content creation such as marketing campaigns or social media updates. The plan includes access to 10 iStock clips per month and 20 background removal credits, enabling you to enhance your videos with high quality visuals and seamless edits. You also get 10 GB of cloud storage, providing ample space for saving your projects and assets securely. 1 million plus premium media library and 5,000 plus handcrafted templates, allowing you to create visually stunning videos quickly. The plan supports 1080p video rendering, ensuring your content is crisp and professional. Additionally, it includes reseller rights, allowing you to use your creations commercially, and automated text-to-speech features for adding voiceovers effortlessly. Next, we have the unlimited plan at $60 per month without applying any discount, and you can get it for $18 per month with the maximum possible discount. The unlimited plan is perfect for users, agencies, or businesses with high volume video production needs. It offers everything in the business plan but with significantly enhanced capacities to keep up with the demanding workflows. This plan allows for unlimited video exports, ensuring you can produce as many videos as your projects require. It also includes 120 iStock clips per month, enabling you to access a vast library of high quality video clips to enrich your content. With 40 background removal credits and 100 GB of cloud storage, this plan provides the resources to handle complex large-scale projects. Like the business plan, the unlimited plan also includes access to 1 million plus premium media and 5,000 plus handcrafted templates, automated text-to-speech features, and 1080p video rendering. Reseller rights are also included, making it an excellent choice for agencies or professionals offering video creation as a service. So, based on this comparison, here's a quick summary of which plan should you buy. The business plan is ideal for small businesses, freelance creators, or marketing professionals who need robust tools for moderate video production. Its features are a balance between functionality and affordability, making it a great entry point for creators looking to elevate their video content. For agencies, teams, or businesses with high video production demands, the unlimited plan is the good choice. Its enhanced capacities for exports, storage, and clips make it perfect for those needing flexibility and scalability in their creative projects. If you want to know about other amazing AI tools that can make videos from prompts, then check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.